Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Turbo Trader on Webull. First, open your Webull desktop application and navigate to the trading interface. Look for the Turbo Trader tab, usually found among your other trading tools. Click on it to begin the setup process. This feature offers enhanced trading capabilities, so getting it configured correctly is key for efficient execution. We'll cover the initial steps to get you started smoothly. Once Turbo Trader is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. You'll notice a streamlined order entry panel designed for rapid trade placement. Pay attention to the hotkey settings. Customizing these can significantly speed up your trading. The integrated market data ensures you have all necessary information at your fingertips for informed decisions. This setup is built for speed and precision. Personalizing your Turbo Trader workspace is crucial for optimal performance. You can adjust chart settings to include your favorite technical indicators, like moving averages or RSI. Set up trade defaults for common order sizes, perhaps 100 shares, and preferred order types, such as limit orders. Remember to save your customized layout so it's ready for your next trading session. This saves valuable time during active trading. Turbo Trader offers advanced features like bracket orders, which help manage risk by setting profit targets and stop losses simultaneously. Regularly review your performance metrics within the platform to identify strengths and areas for improvement in your trading strategies. This continuous analysis is vital for long-term success. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is important for focus during intense trading sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.